Well, I'm back with another video. Another f59phi. Probably assumed. Oh, I told you that. Told you that. Look at that. '91. Let's see. Oh. Look at that. The view of the front of the train. Yes! Finally! He knew I wanted it. Yeah! '91! I knew you were blow that horn! I'm really glad I caught a really nice engineer. Alright. Have a good night, Mr. Conductor. EVR. What the heck? What was that? You know I wanna jingle bells. Hey, will you back up this train? Can you hold the jingle bell for me, please? Sure. I would honk that for you. If you stand over here and I'll give you some. Ooh. With jingle bells and a nice engineer, huh? Do. What the? The heck? I wonder. Another toot-toot? Oh my. Look at that. Really cool that I got 3 extra horn shells, 1 for the engineer and 1 from the conductor. Yes! Yes! Wow, a nice engineer I caught tonight. Well, if you enjoyed these 2 videos, make sure you like and subscribe and ding the bell to stay notified. Please and thank you. Have a great time.